What's up, y'all? It's Rael and I'm back with another video. Today is wash day. Y'all know that I'm natural and my hair is completely disgusting right now. I've actually had it in a puff for about 2 weeks. That's just way too long, so it's time to wash. So I'm taking my twist out right now and we're going to go ahead and wash. What I'm going to be using today to actually wash my hair is some tea tree and lemon sage refreshing moisture conditioner. So it looks like this. That's going to be my conditioner. This is going to be my shampoo by the same company. This conditioner, oh my God, it feels so amazing. It makes your hair feel so good. I actually leave a little bit of mine in, so I don't wash it out. I use it as a leave-in conditioner, but I only do about 1 pump and put it all over my hair and then I leave it in. The conditioner is really good. It's 0 sulfates, parabens, dyes, gluten, and everything that's not good for your hair. So it definitely gets your hair clean, but it doesn't strip it. And that's what you don't want. You do not want your hair to be stripped. But it is also good to have a leave-in conditioner, which this is not a leave-in conditioner, but I leave it in anyway. But like I say, just a pump I leave in. So let's get to washing. First, what I do is I take some conditioner and I put that all over my hair. That way it's to help me go ahead and get all those tangles out, especially since this puff has been in my head for 2 weeks, child. I need it, I need it, I need it. So that's gonna help me detangle. So I'm just rinsing my conditioner out at this point and finger detangling. Just a little bitty ball that I got while doing so. Next, I'm going to go ahead and get my shampoo out and get to washing. And I'm going to get 2 pumps of my shampoo. And after you finish washing, you're just gonna go ahead and rinse your shampoo out. And it's actually easy to do in the shower. That way your hair is, falling down, and it's just an easier way to go ahead and detangle. So I'm shampooing again, girl. Get it clean, girl. Make sure you get the back. And just make sure your hair is super clean. Take the balls of your fingertips and just massage. I'm doing a little length check right here. My hair is getting pretty long, considering I cut it 2 years ago. I'm doing pretty good. All right, we're gonna go ahead and rinse. And look at how my hair is looking. Oh my God, it looks so good, so clean. Curls is popping and nothing is even on it, baby. It's just clean hair. Okay, so as you can see, my hair is really clean, really clean. I love that shampoo and conditioner. I actually just get it from Walmart. So actually my husband started using this and I was out of mine. I used to use As I Am coconut co-wash, which I still use it. And I forgot what other kind of conditioner and shampoo I used to use, but yeah. Anyway, these are bomb. So what I'm gonna do right now, take my 1 pump, put it all over my hair, and this will be my leave-in. So you just want to make sure you're getting back there. Make sure the kitchen is moisturized, baby. All right. So once I take my leave-in, well, the conditioner that I use for leave-in, once I put that all over my hair, I'm gonna take my detangling brush and then I'm gonna go ahead and detangle my hair. So, be right back. So I have my detangling brush and I have a scrunchie. So what I usually do is I just take, look at that little piece of hair. Just pull it, it's just dead hair. My hair's been in that puff for, I know, about a good 2 weeks. So what I do is I just take my fingers and just gently part my hair at the back. I always start detangling my hair from the back, so. Take our scrunchie and put the rest in a little puff, just one time, just to hold it. And then I'll take a small section and use my detangling brush. Start from the ends and just work your way up. See that? Now my hair been in a puff for 2 weeks. So I know y'all gonna listen. That worked. So what I do is I just split it in two and do twists, 2-strand twists. And continue to do that all over my hair until I'm complete. After my hair is all twisted, I'm going to go ahead and put on my plastic cap. And I'm gonna let my hair stay in here for about 30 minutes. That way I'm just ensuring that all of my moisture is being locked in from my conditioner, because like I said, I am gonna leave that into my hair. So just gives my hair like a real soft feel. Like, that's just it, period. Be back. So this is how much hair I lost when I was kind of fingering my hair when I was in the shower. And this is how much I lost just detangling with the conditioner in there. Not too bad for a 2-week puff. All right, y'all, so I'm gonna be back whenever my hair's been under here for about 30 minutes. And I'm back. So I've been under here for about 30 minutes. So now what I'm going to do is use my double butter cream. Amazing. I love As I Am products. They are bomb. And I do have the As I Am leave-in. I do have it, girl. But to me, this makes my hair feel so much softer and easy to manage. So I'm gonna go ahead and use my double buttercream. Take that off. Yes, yes, yes. What is that? Okay. So yeah, it's shining. Let me get something really quick. All right, y'all. So even though I really don't need to do this step, I'm going to anyway, just to make sure my hair is shiny, because this is a color, this light brown color. It's like supposed to be a copper, but it didn't come out copper. It's just like a light brown. So since I do have a color in my hair, I'm gonna go ahead and just make sure it's really moisturized to keep my hair from breaking. So this Jamaican mango and lime island oil is very, very good. I love using this, so I'm gonna go ahead and put some on my scalp. And then just massage, massage, massage. So let me go ahead and take my twist down, and then I'll be back to go ahead and put my double buttercream in. All right, so all my twists are out. Oh my God, that looks so freaking bomb. As you can see, my hair starts twisting up really quick. So I'm gonna use about, to start off with, about this much of my double buttercream. Rub it in, that might be all I need. So I'm going to just run it through my hair. And the reason why I said that I really didn't need to use this is because the double buttercream, oh my God, it puts so much moisture in your hair. My daughter, my youngest daughter, she has very dry hair, and her hair texture is totally different from mine. And when I use double buttercream, it keeps that moisture locked in there for a good little minute. And she's tender-headed, so I put that on there before I detangle, and I also detangle her hair with that brush. And her hair is very thick, so telling y'all, y'all better take heed. This is an easy way for wash day. And I wanted to get in the shower just so y'all can kind of see. Sometimes I like throw my head up under the sink or something. You know, I'm trying to just get a little fancy so y'all can really see what I'm doing. All right, so once I have all of that throughout my hair, show y'all how it's looking. Very clean and very moisturized. And I think what I'm going to do is just put it in like a little low bun just for now, because I'm actually going to be doing box braids. So what I usually would do is I would 2-strand twist my hair all over and just wear it like that and untwist it the next day. And my hair is just really, you know, curly. Or I would take a spray bottle of water and gel, finger it through my hair, and shake and go. Either way, I'll do videos on that as well. But for right now, child, I need some braids. So I'll be doing some box braids, and I will have a video on how I do my box braids as well, because I do them myself. Yes, I'm very, 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 very talented, and I do like to save my coins. So I pretty much know how to do everything, child. I do my nails and everything. I'm not talking about the press-ons. I'm talking about the acrylic. I got the whole little setup. So yeah, I like to learn how to do things myself. That way I don't even have to worry about depending on nobody else, sitting in the nail salon for 3 hours, sitting in the hair salon for 5 hours. I do it all by myself, just me. And I've been braiding hair since I was in high school. So I was probably about 15 when I first learned how to 2-strand twist my hair. Literally just played in a mannequin head, because at the time my mom was in cosmetology school. Played with her mannequin head, and then one day, child, I got in that mirror, got me some weave, just started practicing, and I had it. So let me get a little gel, child, because you know this gotta lay down, sis. Got to lay down. I have my gel, my fave, Eco Styler gel, olive oil. I tried the pink one too. It don't hold as good, but it's good, you know. It's alright, it'll do, but I love my olive oil, Eco Styler, so I'm just gonna lay my edges down. Y'all see that it needs some help. So my hair will probably be like this, I don't know, 2 days maybe, because I don't know if I'm gonna actually braid my hair tomorrow, but it will get done. Y'all will see my video on that. Look at that. Baby, that Echo Styler do not play, you hear me? Do not play. Lay that hair down. So I'm an edge girl. Always have been since I was a little youngin'. So you already know I'm about to lay these edges, baby. You already know. And I've been doing it for so long, it's like a little 1-2 at this point. And don't mind my forehead, y'all. I know it's big. It's all good. Ain't never stop nothing. Nothing at all. And there you have it. A low puff. Getting a little hang time because I cut my hair really short, probably about 2 years ago now. My hair grows really fast when it's natural. Of course, I used to be relaxed. I was relaxed up until 2010, and I completely chopped all my hair off, literally. I didn't do no transition or nothing. Talking about letting your hair grow out to a couple of inches or whatever. Like, my hair literally was like, baby, scalp. Cut it all off, and you know, I've been cutting here and there all of this time. So it's 2020, so you already know. I like to play in my hair, so I let it grow, cut it, let it grow, cut it, color it, damage it. Gotta cut it off again. I just be playing with it. But I'm on a healthy hair journey now, so it's looking pretty good. It's looking pretty good. So, all right. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and check out my next videos. And you can also check out the previous videos that I've done. Cooking videos, vlogs, just me going out to the lakes, riding bikes, working out, walking, all that good stuff. Yeah, keep checking your girl out. I know y'all see this. I know y'all see how slick that is, child. All right, y'all. See y'all in the next video.